Hey everybody. So I decided it's time to work on Alfonso. We've been neglecting him for a little while now. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking out some of the stuff that we have in the back of him. I'd already took out some of the parts, throwing it in the garage. So I'm going to clean out a little bit and I'm going to start taking the interior out because I got to do the panels. So the roof panels and the side panels, and I got to clean up the interior as well. We're going to have to do the flooring here. So I got to start getting to that. So here we go. Let's start working on that. Old AC stuff. We got it cleaned out for the most part. I got all the parts out of it and everything like that. So what we're going to do is start taking apart the interior. And then that way we can go in and start measuring out the panels, see if I can trace some of them, and we'll kind of go from there. Help me grab into this dish. Well, it's pretty moist, but I don't see any rust through, so that's a good thing. So, all right, let's keep working. Is that bolted to the side? Bolt. Like it.
cigar, cards, coin wallet, comb. We got some checkers.
Checkers, marbles.
Marbles.
I've lost my marbles.
Yeah.
Check out this cool little car. Little tractor, so a little vintage. Little Jeep.
Wow.
Pretty cool. Looks like some coat hanger action here. Some cool carpet from 71. Okay. Where do we start?
It's out. Uh-oh. It's all out.
Definitely getting there. Well, everybody, the interior is all out. Gonna clean up in here. I gotta do like I said, I gotta get these panel measurements. So I'm still debating on what kind of wood I'm gonna use. I was thinking about going to like Lowe's or Home Depot and getting maybe like a Luan board and maybe tracing it out. I don't know if I can trace it with the front. I got a lot of pieces missing up there, so we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll do some measurements and maybe I'll talk to some people in the community, see if they have any ideas. But thanks for hanging out on this one. Hopefully we'll be camping soon. Thanks, guys. Take care.